What's good, everybody? This is Jose from my Audio Marketplace. Today I'm going to show you how to use the note repeat. I actually like to do this when I was using an MPC, and it works great for the Ableton push as well. So I already have a drum loop. I'm going to hit play. I'm going to hit the note repeat, and then I'm going to repeat a note. There you go. Now you can see on the sides here, you can actually change the intervals of your repeat note. Please make sure to subscribe, comment below, and I'll answer any questions that I can, and see you on the next one.